Write short notes on Clausius-Clapeyron equation. This question appeared in 2000. Now let's solve the question. Clausius-Clapeyron equation. It is a way of characterizing a discontinuous phase transition between two phases of matter of a single constituent. On PT diagram, the line separating the two phases is known as the coexistence curve. This equation gives the slope of the tangent to this curve. This is a PT diagram of a constituent particle. These lines are the coexistence curve, where this represents the vapor, this region represents the vapor phase, this liquid the liquid phase, and this region represents the solid. This point where solid, liquid and vapors coexist is known as triple point. Now, dP upon dt is equal to L upon T delta V. This is your Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Here L is the specific latent heat. And delta V is the specific volume change of the phase transition. Now we come to the derivation of this equation. Derivation. Now assume entropy as a function of volume and time. Then ds is equal to delta S upon delta V, partial differentiation of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature into dV, plus partial differentiation of entropy with respect to temperature at constant volume into delta T. During phase change, temperature and pressure are constant. So this equation reduced to ds is equal to partial differentiation of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature into dV. Now from Maxwell relation, we know partial differentiation of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature is equal to partial differentiation of pressure with respect to temperature at constant volume. So we can write delta S is equal to dP upon dt into delta V. That can be written as dP upon dt is equal to delta S upon delta V. Now multiply and divide it by temperature. That can be written as delta Q upon T delta V. Because we know entropy is delta Q upon T. Now that can be written as dP upon delta T is equal to L upon T delta V. Because we know that latent heat is delta Q by M and specific volume is delta V by M. Now its one application is for ideal gas approximation. In which solid or liquid get converted into gaseous state. So volume of solid and liquid is converted into volume of the gas. But we know that the volume of gas is very large compared to the volume of solid or liquid. So, in the change of the volume, we ignore the volume of the solid and liquid. Then this equation can be written as dP upon dt is equal to latent heat upon my temperature into specific volume of the gas only. Now, this can also written as L into pressure upon TRT, because from ideal gas equation we know that P into volume of the gas is equal to nRT. So, volume of the gas is equal to nRT by P. So, this can be written as dP upon P is equal to L by R change in temperature upon T scale, delta T upon T scale. Limits are from T1 to T2. If we solve it, then we get ln P2 minus P2 by P1 is equal to L by R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. That's it. Thank you.